is up, you guys. Y'all come on in. We're gonna make I guess an arrangement using some of the stuff from the wreath supply box, but I have had this for quite a long time, you guys. You can tell the coloring of this is different. The bottom part came from Hobby Lobby, but the wood beads are actually from the wreath supply box, you guys. I do also have some of these Mark Roberts pumpkins that I got at Market. My idea is like 1 and 2, kind of like that, and then fill it in with some other greenery. So I did put a stem right in this one. And I did glue this part into, so I kept some of the ring, you guys. So I did keep some of it in there, so it's kind of stabilized a little bit, but not too much, honestly. I mean, I definitely don't recommend them grabbing it by this right here. So I'm putting in my 2 pumpkins. So I got one in the back, and this one's going to be in the front. You can always use whatever pumpkins you have available. Walmart is probably my favorite place to get pumpkins during the fall, you guys. They have the best prices available on those pumpkins. So definitely when you see those pumpkins start coming out, definitely grab yourself some, because they are probably the best deal on pumpkins, like $5, $6, $7. I guess it just depends from year to year. And then we're gonna come in, and I'm gonna bring in the fall 60919. So this one is the one that's got the oranges and the greens. It's really pretty. I'm gonna bring that in, and we're gonna mix it all up together, you guys. I'm gonna come on in with my 60919. Y'all know we love our 60919. Spread that out. That. Spread that out there as well. So bring this alongside this. So just fluffing out the 60919. I have a huge bucket full of this, you guys. I got all the colors, all of them. So coming on in, you guys, adding that 60919. Okay. Ooh, that looks pretty, you guys. And that's just 2 60919s. So this is the all gold 60919. Fluffing this out. So I don't want a lot of this gold in here. I only want to use 1 stem. So usually when I have 1 stem, you guys, I try and break it out evenly. So that's why I'm going to work in the triangle. So 1, 2, and 3. I'm going to put this one kind of underneath this pumpkin. So we put 1 up here, 1 right here, and I'm gonna put 1 right back here. Just kind of mixing in a little bit of that gold 60919. But look how much we've already filled it in, you guys. Now, my idea is so there were 2 of these that are really long in there, and I definitely kind of want to bend these, because these are actually really nice and bendable. So I want to put 1 coming up like on the side of the pumpkin right here, right? So kind of like 1 on this side, and then 1 a little bit further up like that. So we're gonna come on in. I'm kind of gonna turn this towards me, you guys, so I can kind of see it. How long have I been crafting for? Probably feels like a bajillion years at this rate. So kind of something like that, you guys. They are bendable, but I want to kind of tie them into there. Oh, I love that already. Look how pretty that looks, you guys. So we've got a little bit of that brown. But I definitely want a little bit more, like right here, something right here. So pretty, you guys. I love that chocolate brown, that copper. So that's what I'll do, you guys. I don't want a super duper big bow. So what I'll do is I'll make like a half bow. But what I do is I take my tail, right? So I'm making my tail, make my loop, pinch that all together, you guys. And then I will put my two fingers like this, my pointer finger and my middle finger together. I'm gonna bring that ribbon up. Okay? Pinch that together. Making my loop bigger than my second loop, bigger than my first loop. Pinch and twist. So just like that. So just two loops. I'm gonna bring my stick, which is usually from one of my florals. I'm gonna bend that over my zip tie. I'm gonna cut that zip tie up. And we're gonna stick that right in there. But y'all, look how pretty that looks, just adding that in. I love a good berry stem, and this one's a really, really good one. So adding in some berries, love these. Okay, so adding that in. So just adding these berries, and I love this berry stem. And then the last piece. And there we go, you guys. So you can definitely also add, if you wanted to, you can add a ribbon up here, a bow. Definitely gonna want to use a smaller ribbon. Let's see. I'm using the pieces from the 60919, you guys. That wire that's on that like twiggy bit, that's what I'm using. You can use a zip tie if you want to, but I'm definitely using something that can camouflage my mechanics. Yeah, Velvet Luster Versa Pecan, one of my favorite browns. They also have one of my favorite oranges. Oh, I love how that looks, you guys, with that ribbon right up there. Really, really pretty. So there it is, you guys. I just added that in as an extra. I could actually kind of curl those up just a little bit. A really pretty fall centerpiece, you guys. And I love seeing some of this uh, natural, because it matched this peeking through.